submission, so she just submitted it under Kamli Production.
That's your cat's name, right?
Kamli is my cat. When we started, none of us could even read a Excel sheet.
Somebody sits and watches us, and all it probably takes is a हटाओ यार.
क्योंकि अब तो
You know?
Stop it.
अभी तुमने
Stop it. करो एक दूसरे को मारो मुझे.
नहीं
नहीं.
नहीं.
इसको मारते हैं.
संडान से वापस घर जाने से पहले मैंने रिचा चड्ढा और अली फाजल को पकड़ लिया है फाइनली. How many days I've been chasing the two of you?
We've been busy, as you know, with our screening.
Congratulations, girls will be girls.
Thank you.
इतनी सारी screenings and हर screening में बेहतरीन response है.
Yeah, amazing responses. Was really happy. I mean, it's done wonders.
Our last screening is today, and that's also sold out.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Yeah.
कितने लोग वेट लिस्ट में खड़े थे बाहर प्रीमियर वाली नाइट पे देखा होगा आपने लाइन.
I think
bunch.
48.
Took us a while to get in.
हाँ, हमें भी काफी
Like,
टाइम लगा.
हमने बनाया है यार ऐसे.
So Richa, tell me this, ये शुरू कब हुआ? आप और शुचि बहुत पुराने दोस्त हो, but when did this idea to come together to make a film come to you?
We've been friends since 2006 जब हम college कर रहे थे और we had to we were basically in the same group. हम एक बहुत बेहतरीन मीडिया कोर्स में थे जिसका नाम था सोशल कम्युनिकेशंस मीडिया और SCM that happens at Sophia College in Bombay. And I knew she wanted to be a filmmaker. At that time, I was confused about being a photojournalist or a journalist / actor. So, you know, she is one of my first friends कि हाँ मुझे actor बनना है, मुझे director बनना है, like that. And we worked on a documentary together, which was our submission film for our graduation at the time. And then since then, we've been kind of close and kind of been friends. Of course, she went to AFI, then moved to New York. So it's not that we are able to meet very often, but in important occasions of each other's lives, we've always been there. और कुछ 5 साल पहले उसने मुझे बोला कि she's written this very personal sort of script about a very complex mother-daughter / first love kind of film, and I was really excited. And it was hilarious, you know, because we didn't have a production company. So she said NFDC की film bazaar हो रहा है. मैंने script भेजी, select हो गई, but they're asking for a production company. So I said we don't have one. So she couldn't reach me because of the time difference, and she had to make a submission. So she just submitted it under Kamli Production.
That's your cat's name, right?
Kamli is my cat. So the first emails that have gone to NFDC is Kamli Productions submits Girls Will Be Girls. And वहाँ पे हमें एक वीडियो पिच करना था और एक oral pitch करना था. So Shuchi made a video pitch, and we made a pitch to possible co-producers, programmers, etc. at NFDC Film Bazaar, and there we met our French and Indian co-producers, and वहाँ से our journey started. And yeah, it's been a long journey. 3 years of COVID in the middle, 2.5 years. Film kept getting pushed. एक financier भी भाग गया था. तो ऐसी चीज़ें हुई, but अभी eventually we are here.
मुगले आजम बन गई eventually.
Yeah.
How's it been being a producer? This is the first time production experience, no?
Yeah.
Producer on Girls Will Be Girls.
Yes.
कैन में भी हम इसी के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, पर अब
Yes.
फाइनली यहाँ पे मूवी का प्रीमियर हो गया. बताओ मेरे को कैसा हो रहा है?
It's surreal. It's really crazy. I was just telling someone last year we were here. I was here for a very indie film at Slam Dance, which is a very small part of this entire thing.
Yeah.
And then thinking कि शायद कभी Sundance आएंगे. So it worked out. There were delays. It's been a long drawn process, but totally worth our while. मतलब, and one of the most humbling experiences as producers, because I remember during that time we created our production house, and this Pushing Buttons came together, the idea, the name, all that, and then just immediately getting on floors, trying to get money, trying to get financing.
Just trying to understand, when we started, none of us could even read a Excel sheet.
हाँ मतलब
Can you read an Excel sheet now?
yeah, I'm getting there, almost there. Yeah.
Richa, you have started kind of your journey with the biggest international film festivals in the world, no?
Yeah.
मतलब कैन में जाके जीत के आना, बार-बार जाना, सिर्फ एक बार नहीं, over and over again.
Yeah.
Importance आज की डेट में आपको क्या लगता है फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स की, especially for an Indian filmmaker storyteller?
See, I when I was बतौर एक्टर मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ कि कैन में जाना मुझे फिल्म मेकर या प्रोड्यूसर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बस ये लगता है कि जहाँ किसी चीज़ की थोड़ी वाहवाही हो जाती है, दे होप टू गेट अ गुड deal in India with
Yeah.
with a streaming platform or a limited cinema release. Of course, Gangs of Wasipur went on to be a cult film and can only helped in that journey. But my feelings about Sundance are actually I'm very grateful to the festival because यहाँ आके पहली बार involve होके from this side I feel like they are very supportive
Very,
of
very.
cinema,
Yeah.
of sort of indies, of inculcating talent, not just it's not a
Yeah.
one-time relationship. Abhi hum recently I met Shaunak Sen, who
Yeah.
was a winner. Then he was an alumni last year.
No,
We
they
met
bring
him.
the filmmakers
Now
back.
he's on jury this year.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
They cultivate these relationships. So
Yeah.
also, I mean, as a friend, for Shuchi, I'm very happy because she is based in New York, and this is an American festival. It's one of the top festivals in the world, and it will definitely benefit her in her career. And the reviews are testimony to that.
Ali, talk to me about the casting of this film because it's the
Oh,
freshest, most amazing.
I want to say Ali has watched each casting tape, each take of each casting tape multiple times.
I was obsessing
much
over it.
more than me. I was like, no, not working for me. Yes, yes, no, whatever. But he just
No, because I think I was directly in touch with Dilip Shankar, of course, in my own way.
he's a legend. We are so
And
grateful for him.
Yeah, he's amazing, and I think half the job was done there.
Yeah.
But of course, these two characters, Preeti, Keshav, and even Anila, they had to be like perfectly in sync. तो बहुत देखा, बहुत मतलब endless, and then the conversations come to Shuchi's feedbacks, and then Richa's feedbacks, and then weighing all those, and then the school kids, and I was shooting Mirzapur at the time.
Yeah.
I remember, and I was
Completely different style of story.
completely, matlab, totally different world. And in the middle of my takes, like, or whenever, not takes, but like shots, there was time, and I would be watching like randomly some auditions, and I'd be like, this is great, this is great, this is awesome. So really
I
happy.
think one of the kids from Mirzapur, Ali has put in this.
Yeah, that's also a very surprise.
The Hardik character.
Yeah. I don't think we should name the character right now.
Okay,
Maybe,
okay,
I don't know, but I'm really excited. He's a very good actor, and I saw him on. This is the first time he's coming in.
I'm very proud
I
of
think it was
everyone in the film actually. The
Everybody.
smallest of roles, people
Yeah.
whose roles may have been edited out significantly. Everyone does their part well, and that's the.
And I felt like, I'll tell you, it was such a weird feeling sitting on this side.
Yeah.
You feel like, oh my God, like this is what it is. Somebody sits and watches us, and all it probably takes is हटाओ यार.
क्योंकि अब तो टेपें इतनी आ जाती हैं लोगों के
इतनी आती होंगी यार. So I felt guilty, and that's why I sat through it. I said, nahi man, like everybody deserves our full time,
I was also happy to not go to. I mean, to be with a non-Bombay casting director who is so
I mean,
senior
he's-
and
yeah.
so experienced.
Yeah.
So that really and full.
And he's a great actor himself.
He's a great actor himself, and the thing is, उन्होंने young actors के साथ एक लंबा workshop किया to hone their skills. Kani Kustriti, of course, multiple times winner of the Kerala Film Festival Award, just like one of my favorite actors from India. I'm envious of her talent.
She's so good.
She's good at everything she does, and we were just so pleased to have her. So beautiful, and just but the young actors, because they were fresh. Keshav ki pehli film, Preeti ki pehli film. Preeti was stunning, and she was studying animation at SRFTI. So
Yeah.
we had to talk to their parents. Interesting.
I'm
but
really excited about their careers. I really wish them the best. I mean, I think it's a great litmus test also when we're watching the film for the first time, here, I'd seen it, obviously we've seen it like day in and day out with the dailies and everything, but you finally see it on the big screen here. And I told her, I said, yeah, there were choices you made that actually made me learn. And that's amazing. If you can take something from it, even though we're producers and all that, but at the end of the day, it was a great way of sharing notes, and
She's a fabulous.
she's
very
fabulous, natural.
she's a great fan, but Shuchi भी
And
बहुत
Kani, man.
घिसती है actors को बहुत ज़्यादा.
Shuchi,
Every
yeah.
day before the scene that
Yeah.
like they would have, of course they would have rehearsals blocking, but before the shot also they would do plenty rehearsals. And at that time, even as a producer, sometimes I'd be like, यार shift का क्या हो रहा है? but it shows in the film and is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Lastly, Richa, tell me this: why are stories of young adults important? I find that this genre is so important if we want to hope for a better tomorrow, because like the perspective हमारी सिनेमा में बड़ा कम देखने को मिलता है.
एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि जब अभी भी जैसे इफ़ यू गो टू अ स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म एंड से वी वांट अ young adult show, it's very fetishized and sexualized, I feel.
Yeah.
But see, our film has so much discussion about sexuality, but it almost feels like a POV shot. It almost feels like, you know, that scene in the shower which is also the poster, so I can leak it, like she's trying to kiss her hand and figure out how it feels. Is something we've all done when we've been 15 and 16 and trying to figure out how it feels. So that sense of exploration is great. And the thing is, a teenager in India and a teenager in like America are not the same. Similarly, a teenager in Bombay and a teenager in Bilaspur or Kanpur are not the same. So to get that sense and to get the sense of the late 90s, I think it's a big achievement because उसकी innocence कहीं नहीं मरती. So when you sit in the audience and you hear people chuckle, sometimes it's a chuckle of awkwardness, like, oh, I have also done it. It's not like, you know, you're waiting and you can see the actors are literally blushing. They have great chemistry, by the way.
I mean, the stories have to almost take everybody with them.
Yeah.
And I really like that. That's the quality we have to find in future stories. And teen adult, like you said, I mean, adding to what Richa's saying, it is important because
Yeah.
that's where the next gen is going to come from. That's where the next policies or rule makers and, you know, the change makers will come from. So, yeah, hell yeah. I mean, that's the...
I'm very excited for us as producers also because I hope that seeing this, like, nice, good quality people gravitate towards us.
Yeah, we're going to produce stuff,
Hard-working
hopefully.
writers,
बहुत बढ़िया.
directors.
Well, thank you for meeting me at all the film festivals around the world.
You.
I hope to continue to meet you in international film festivals and in India.
इतनी beautiful जगहों पे. My God.
It's -3 degrees, guys.
Yeah.
Totally worth it.
Very much. Congratulations. Stop it.
अभी तुमने
Stop it. हाँ, करो. एक दूसरे को मारो मुझे मत.
नहीं.
इसको मारते हैं.